Mommy,
this is some in the kitchen and
yeah, are you spitting it all out? Mmm, yummy.
He doesn't like the rice stuff.
No, he doesn't. Mmm, is that yummy? Mmm, yeah, now your fingers go in. Yeah, lovely. Oh, yeah. Mmm.
Does he not like that one?
Yeah, he likes the prunes. It's actually prunes. Prunes and rice cereal.
He does like the rice cereal.
He likes the prunes, yeah. Oh, look at now he eats. Oh my goodness, poor guy, man. Look up his nose and everywhere. Is that the prunes coming out already or what? Whoa! I see, he eats it. All babies eat like that, in and out. Ooh.